All right, now it's time to deploy this application to Firebase. First, let's make sure that you have installed Firebase tools. So in the terminal, run Firebase --version. So you can see I'm using Firebase tools version 3.9.2. If you don't have this, install Firebase tools using npm. So sudo npm install globally Firebase-tools. And make sure to run this in an actual terminal window. I tried to run this inside VS Code and it didn't work for me. I got some permission errors. So with Firebase in place, first we need to log in. So Firebase, login. You can see I've already logged in. On your machine, you have to log in first. Once you log in, inside our OShop folder, run Firebase init. So this wizard asks us what features of Firebase are we going to set up for this folder. So we're going to use the hosting. Let's select hosting here. Next is asking me which Firebase project I want to associate this with. So on my account, I have only one Firebase project, that is OShop. Let's select this. So this creates two files here, firebase.json and another file. Let's open up firebase.json. Here we need to add a basic setting. So hosting, we set this to an object. And here we have a property called public, which we set to dist. That is the name of the folder that includes our compiled application. So when we build our application with Angular CLI, the result is stored inside this folder, right? Now back in the terminal, I'm going to build our application for production. Okay, beautiful. And finally, let's deploy this to Firebase. So Firebase, deploy. All right, our application is live on Firebase. So here's the hosting URL. Let's copy this. Back in Chrome, and here's our application on Firebase. So you can see our navigation is working. Beautiful. So now that everything is in place, starting from the next section, in each section, we're going to add a new feature to this application, and we can deploy it to Firebase at the end of each section. This way, we can give a preview of our application to our customers as the application is evolving. So that brings us to the end of this section. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.